Brian Hoagland here with Hoaglandscape. Hello everyone, it's Brian Hoagland once again with Hoaglandscape, and today we are in Mount Holly, North Carolina, starting another pondless waterfall. This one's going to be 12 feet long. We got a nice slope to work with. Currently right now, Raphael's on the machine, separating all our boulders so we can pick out which ones are going to be the best. This is where we're going to lay out our aqua blocks, and then we're going to have a 12-foot stream to that. We are also going to add in front of the aqua blocks, in front of the basin, we're going to start a dry creek bed. As you can see, they get drainage through this little culvert through here, and it's going to go. We're going to dig this out a little bit. It seems to rise a little bit right here, so we're going to take this hump out. But the creek bed will end right here next to this tree, and off in the distance there you can see beautiful lake. Really nice setting. So they got a lot of water, but they don't have sound. So we're gonna give them sound with this pondless waterfall. We're also gonna landscape the corner area and put some nice beds around it. And we've got some really nice rock to work with, including this boulder is probably about 1.5 tons. Look at all the moss on it. It's gonna look great for one of our signature waterfall stones. This is gonna be a great day, and we're gonna start rocking. So Raphael has cleared out the dirt with the excavator. Now the guy's got to do some grunt work and level it out, get these sides straight. And then we'll be able to put in our underlayment and liner, and then our aqua blocks and vault. So here's the bottom waterfalls. We're gonna have a very thin bridle fall right here, and then we got some nice curve here. That'll give the water some interesting shape, fall off of here, and then we're gonna have a character boulder here. We'll put some gravel a little higher here and in here, and we'll make 2 bib liners so the water will come over those without sinking through the gravel, and we'll get good flow off these boulders. So this is the rock we're going to use for our next waterfall. It's 21 inches tall, which is too tall, but it's a cool rock because we can get 2 waterfalls out of 1 stone. We'll have it coming off here and then coming off here, but we're going to dig about 6 inches, 8 inches into the ground and set this boulder in the ground, so we'll have not so high a waterfall, and also that way we'll be able to have a higher drop up above us, because we're gonna have to rent a bigger machine. This machine, the E35, is too small for this boulder. We can't lift this boulder. And I'm really wanting to use this as a waterfall boulder because I love all that moss. And this one will have to sink into the ground some as well. Just a technique that we're gonna try, and it should make for a very natural look. So the guys right now are digging out the hole for the first boulder I showed you. All right, so here we are, another beautiful day on the project here in Mount Holly, Mountain Island Lake area. Got our completed waterfall down here, hidden by the liner, and then we put a big stone, dug it in here, and now we're gonna put our character boulders so the guys are getting those areas flat and stable so we can put in our sitting boulders. And then the waterfall is gonna continue to go up this way and curve away. So here's our completed dry creek bed. It's a lot of drainage where the dry creek bed begins right there. So we connected it to the pondless basin. So when it overflows, it'll just go over this and come on down through the dry creek bed. We dotted some boulders in here for realism. Nice natural effect.